गोंय सरकाराच्या खेळा खात्यान स्कूल गेम्स फेडरेशनाच्या जोड पालवान आयोजीत केल्ल्या 62व्या नॅशनल स्कूल गेम्स चॉकबॉल आणि मार्शल आर्ट खेळ पेडे म्हापसाच्या संकुलांत जातले. 4 नोव्हेंबर ते 6 नोव्हेंबर मजगतीं खेळांचें आयोजन केलां अशी माहिती खेळा संचालक VM प्रभुदेसाय हांणी दिल्या. डेस्क वखदी पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला.
National School Games, Chalkball for boys and girls, and Square Martial Art, boys and girls, under 14 and under 17. These two nationals are being held in Goa at Bhausaheb Bandurkar Krida Sankul, that is sports complex at Pede. You will know that the Pede Sports Complex has been named after the first Chief Minister, Sri Bhausaheb Bandurkar, Dayanand Bandurkar, who was instrumental in setting up the sports department. And ours was perhaps this first sports department, independent sports department in the country. So you could know how our first Chief Minister was visionary, man who was so much fond of sports and games, could set up the Directorate of those days known as Directorate of Sports and Cultural Affairs in the year 1973. In fact, the year he was no more. Unfortunately, this is just an information that after setting up the office, he could not be there to see the growth of the office, the achievements of the sports department, because just on the 42nd day, he was no more. He left this place. I'm talking about Bhausaheb Bandurkar. He set up the sports department on 1st July 1973, and he died on 12th August 1973. So a matter of just 42 days. 42 days. That's I have said this because the complex is named after the first chief.